This is a cold seized piston for a Mercury 250 Pro XS motor. This piston, you can see how it grew larger than the clearances would allow in the sleeve. The piston can grow 4 or 5 thousandths. It takes the iron sleeve 4 or 5 minutes to grow. When you fire these things up in the morning, be sure to let them idle for 5 minutes without going over 1200 RPM. The other way, if it does not see 125 degrees, the computer will inform you. You'll hear a 4-beep alarm saying something's wrong. And then the code should be checked to verify or actually check the operation. Even better yet, get a SmartCraft Connect, VesselView Link, VesselView Mobile, or Merc monitor and watch your temperature reading so you know exactly what's happening. You can see them warm up to about 130 degrees. Then the stats will open, it'll drop down to less than 120, and then it'll warm back up to 125, and it'll repeat that cycle. Don't jump on it hard until those conditions have been met, or this will be the result. If you like this little bit of information, click on like below. Please subscribe and enter your comments below if you need more clarification or new videos, and try to provide the content you viewers would like to see.